Good morning, children. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. Myself, Seema Srivastav, primary teacher, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ordnance Factory, Muradnagar, welcome you all at educational blog of Agra region. In this video, there is a presentation of Maths Magic Class 1, Lesson number 10, Patterns. In this lesson, the main TLOs are as follow. Students would be able to identify the patterns right from school to home. Students would be able to recognize the patterns in pictures, shapes, numbers, alphabets, colors, increasing and decreasing patterns. Students would be able to understand the basic rule of creating a pattern and can extend the sequence. Students would be able to create patterns of their own. Children, patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. We all must have seen the different kinds of patterns in our daily life, like on shirts, bed sheets, sari border, garlands, etc. Look at this bracelet. We have a square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, and so on. This is called pattern as it is repeating itself. Now, let us try to make few more patterns. Look at this bag of flashcards. Each card has a pattern of dots. Look, we have arranged few cards according to the increasing order of the dots, starting with the card with 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots and 5 dots. Children, let us follow the same pattern and find out the pattern of next 4 cards. Now children, the next 4 cards will be with 6 dots, 7 dots, 8 dots and lastly 9 dots. Children, we can find the pattern in letters too. Now, observe the given pattern and write the next 4 letters. We can see that letter A and letter B are placed alternatively. This becomes a pattern. So, the next letter will be letter A, then letter B, then again letter A and lastly letter B. Children, did you know we find patterns in numbers also? Let's see how. Starting with number 2, when we skip count by 2's, we get 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Now observe the given pattern and write the next 4 numbers. Look at the pattern carefully. What can you observe? Correct. On subtracting 4 from 40, we get 36, which is the next number. Now again, on subtracting 4 from 36, we get the next number, that is 32. In this way, we see that in each step, the numbers are reducing by 4. Hence, by using this number pattern, we can find the next 4 numbers. So, we get the 4 numbers as 28, 24, 20 and 16. Children, now it's your turn to play with these patterns. Are you ready? Okay. Now observe these patterns and extend the sequence. 2 lines circle, 2 lines circle. So what will come next? T, P, T, P, T. So what will come next? Upside arrow, downside arrow, upside arrow, downside arrow. So what will come next? Square, triangle, square, triangle. So what will come next? Children, study the pattern and fill in the missing numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. So what will be the next missing number? 22, 21, 20. So what will be the next missing number?